Hello, welcome back. So we are going to add a new student here. So we are going to add something. So the method which we are going to use is a post method. So modify your method to post and update student to add student. You don't have to provide any specific user details here because it's a brand new student. Okay, so just write a method to add a student. Add a student and just frame a collection here or frame a dictionary here because we know the format, right? So this is the format of a student detail. Let's copy this, copy, and let's create a variable student is equal to. So here what I'm going to do is these things are same, but the values are different because these values are retrieved from the input request. Okay, so I'm going to use request.json here. Request.json and here. So from which field you are retrieving the data? Roll number. Just copy this. So here I retrieve the data from the name and here section. So just try to understand what I'm doing here. So I have the student collection here and it has a roll number, name, section because that is the structure of the your database. So I'm getting the information from the client, I mean the user client. So and add this information into existing client, I mean existing repository. Let's make it easy. Okay, frame it, just keep it in a proper format. Okay, so now, so we all know what is my existing DB. This is my existing DB. So the way we need to do that, just use append. And which student you are going to append, it will add into the end of the existing collection. And again, return the JSONify DB. Just copy it. There are most of the scenarios you just need to copy and paste it because this is existing. Okay. So student, I added a new student and I returned, added and returned. So now stop the server and run the script. Just copy the informations here, create a new tab and paste it here, and my local path is Control C, home. So localhost 5000 and student and add student, and this is going to be a post method since I'm going to add a new, and as I said, accept JSON format and content type, so application.json. So body, you need to choose which data type you're going to pass. So let's copy it from here. So this is the type I'm going to pass. Just paste it here. So name, let's add a new name here. So just for something. Name is okay. Let's have it a Nancy, and the roll number is 13 and section C. Let's run this. So what will happen now? Nancy will be added into the existing DB which contains the 11 and 12. Now it's Nancy is added as a third student. Just send. See, now you got all these three student information. So now when you try to run the get students, you will get another additional one because it's there in the cache. And if you're trying to read the information from get student, you can pass it. See, now you'll get the informations. So this is how you need to add a student into your existing library, or you can say it's a database also. In the next video, the another one, the rest remaining one is removing a student from a database or a collection here. Okay, let's discuss that in the next video. Thank you.